tree, soft and low. The evening settles, embers glow. A little owl with quiet wings hears the gentle hush the forest brings. Moonlight spilling through the leaves, whisper wind among the trees. This is home, this is home. The oak, the moss, the soft night calm. Under boughs where shadows rest, little feathers tuck in best. The creek goes slow through silver air, and tiny dreams are waiting there. Moonlight spilling through the leaves, whisper wind among the trees. This is home, this is home. The oak, the moss, the soft night calm. Rest now, owl, your nest is near. The woods are warm, the stars are clear. Good night, good night, the world is still, soft as feathers on the hill. Little dreams are built today, piece by piece in every way. Tiny moments softly grow, like a gentle morning glow. Every color finds its place, every line a warm embrace. Slowly, patiently we see simple things becoming free. Take your time, there's no need to rush. Every little step is more than enough. Little dreams are built today, piece by piece in every way. Small creations bright and new, every color shining through. Hold them gently, watch them bloom. Every corner fills the room. One more smile, one more star, building joy with all our heart. Soft rain dancing on the glass, quiet moments slowly pass. Gentle laughter fills the air, peace is waiting everywhere. Every tiny shape we find leaves a happy thought behind. Not because it's big or grand, but it's made with patient hands. Every little moment matters, every little dream can stay. Tiny pieces coming together, brightening another day. Little dreams are built today, piece by piece in every way. Small creations bright and new, every color shining through. Stay a little it slow, watch the little wonders grow. Every ending, every start, building dreams inside the heart. Piece by piece, little dreams. The bakery opens with the dawn, before the city's fully on. Fresh bread cooling by the door, wooden floors begin to warm. A bicycle leans outside, painted blue with years of time. Someone waves without a word, like a scene I've always known. The smell of butter fills the air, turning ordinary into rare. Meet me on Maple Street, where the morning tastes so sweet. Fresh bread, coffee, window light, everything just feels alright. No one's counting passing hours, laughter blooms between the flowers. Some places quietly remain, calling me back once again. A little bell above the door sings the same familiar chord. Flower dust upon the shelf, stories resting by themselves. New faces come, old faces go, sharing smiles they hardly show. Someone hums while pouring tea, like the world was meant to be. Years may carry us away to crowded roads and faster days. Still I know one corner keeps a chair that's always safe for me. Meet me on Maple Street, where the morning tastes so sweet. Sunlight dancing through the glass, watching another season pass. When the city's rushing by, I'll remember warm July. Some places never really leave, they stay inside us quietly. The little bell rings one last time, the door closes softly. Morning carries on.
Coffee stains upon my sleeve. Someone waves across the street. Windows catch the morning glow, like they're putting on a show. Traffic hasn't filled the air, only bicycles are there. I don't mind the slower pace, I've got nowhere else to race. Some days don't need a reason, they simply feel alive. Take the side streets, take your time. There's a story in each sign. Golden shadows, open skies. Home is found with open eyes. Nothing fancy, nothing planned, just another day at hand. Somehow that's enough for me, right where I'm supposed to be. The dog runs past without a care. Kids are laughing somewhere near. Someone hums behind the door. I've heard that melody before. Fresh paint drying on a fence. flowers leaning through the fence. Small reminders all around. Joy is easier than it sounds. The map can stay inside my bag. I'll follow where the morning leads. Sometimes the best memories are never meant to be. Take the side streets, take your time, leave the busy roads behind. Simple moments come and go, brighter than we'll ever know. When the evening finds this town, I'll still wear this easy smile. One more corner, one more song, that's where I belong. The sun climbs a little higher. The guitar carries the last melody. Morning slips across the floor, pulling light beneath the door. Yesterday is out of sight. There's a spark in morning light. Coffee waits beside the sink, giving me a chance to think. No big plans to rearrange, just enough to welcome change. One more page, one more mile. Something good might stay a while. It's a brand new day, let it find its way. No need to hurry now, the sky will show us how. Step into the light, leave the doubts behind. There's a rhythm in the air, and it's waiting everywhere. Someone paints the open sign. Flowers catch the morning shine. Buses roll through sleepy streets. Life begins with